In this video, we will cover how to create an internal field boundary on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Start Field Operation button. Select the correct growing season and grower. Select the correct farm and field. Select the correct operating configuration from the configurations list. Press the green check mark. Press the Run Screen button found in the bottom left corner of the display. Press the Map Options button. Press the Boundary button. Press Start. Select Enter for the boundary type. Under Boundary Offset, select the correct offset direction and enter the correct offset distance. Press the green check mark. Now, drive around the internal field boundary. Once you reach the end point, stop. Press the Map Options button again. Press the Boundary button. Press Stop. Press Save. Press the green check mark. Press the Run Screen button. And as you can see, our internal field boundary that we just created is now saved. We have now covered how to create an internal field boundary on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.